16 degrees. Alright, so it is the beginning of a winter storm now here in Portland. The temperature is like 18 degrees and probably going to be a little lower right in my backyard right now, but as you can see, it's just starting and it is already getting pretty snowy out here. The wind picks up and it gets really cold when it blows directly on you. So here I'm kind of protected by the house from the wind, but once I'm out in the main street, it is so cold that it really affects the body temperature very fast, and you need to find shelter, because if you stay out here too long, you can get really cold very fast, and it can get dangerous. Anyway, as you can see, I'm getting snow up here already. My yard is starting to fill up with some mixture of snow and ice, and probably in a couple hours it's going to be fully white, and it won't be melting for quite some time because the temperature is going to stay very low today. leave out in the afternoon. It's definitely more snow today. It's January 13th, 2024. And you can see ice everywhere. It's a mixture of snow and sleet. So it's coming up like about 14 degrees. And very cold, very windy.